Hey guys, we're about to do some shooting out here. In fact, we already did the shooting. I'm filming the intro after. So I just got done shooting Tomahawks. These Tomahawks that are sitting right here. And I'm gonna show you guys what these two pistols, a 40 and a 9mm, did to the Tomahawks. We emptied a magazine into each Tomahawk. The Bone Hawk M2 and the Bone Breacher Tomahawk, okay? We emptied a magazine from each pistol into these two Tomahawks right here. And you guys are gonna watch right coming up next, and you can see everything as it's happening. Two different camera angles of the bullets hitting the Tomahawks. Tomahawks here, and they are 100% intact. The bullets did not even take the Cerakote off, okay? 9mm rounds and 40. Yep, 40 and 9mm. Unbelievable. Not any damage. All of the damage you see on here was from chopping up the car. I just put up a video of chopping up a car with these, and there was a little bit of damage. I haven't touched them. I just put them in the truck. The paracord got ripped on this one from shooting it with bullets. Obviously it's going to do that, so we shot it on both sides and no damage to the Tomahawks. So pretty awesome. Bone out.